Before continuing, first of all, allow me to fix the section of Windows refraction. As you remember, we fixed before, but I need to readjust it. So I'm searching for the original sky. I hold an Alt or Option key and click on the mask. See, we have this section here. So press Ctrl or Command A to select all, Ctrl C, Alt or Option and click on the mask again, Ctrl D. Okay, I create a new layer top of this building, Ctrl or Command V. Also, I copy this mask, Alt click, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, new layer, Ctrl V. We need just selection of this part. So actually I copy this into the mask, again, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, new channel, paste here, Ctrl V. Now if I hold on the Ctrl or Command key and click on the mask, we select it based on light intensity. Allow me to remove it, I don't need it. Go to layers and hide it, click the mask. Now I press D to change the default foreground and background color. If you press Alt or Option Delete, you see what's going on here. We filled with black based on current selection, but I don't want the whole section, so I undo that. Press L or select polygonal lasso and hold on the Alt or Option key and remove these sections you don't want from your current selection. Alright, Alt or Option Delete. We need to fix here too. I undo that. Actually, maybe better to remove from. We need actually only this section. So just I want to keep here. Hold on the Alt or Option key and remove rest of your selection. Alt or Option Delete. I think that's fine. We could even make these sections white again. So simply I'm using brush, white color, and I just could simply select these regions, Ctrl L, and make them brighter. I think this is about another layer. So Ctrl A, Ctrl C, remove both layers, Alt click, Ctrl V, and Alt click again. Yep. As you see now, we have transparency here. You could even add here if you need. You could make manually, but I think it is not so necessary. Still, you could done manually. I think that's enough. And something here, it is extra. I could find that. Allow me to Alt click to see. Yeah, they are shadows of bushes here. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so let's clean up. I'm selecting these sections and delete. We have still some extra information. Yeah, this is another layer shadow. So let's remove these. Okay, now we cleaned up a bit our project. Here is morning. I don't know you could hear or not, but birds are singing. Sorry if it is bothering you. I have no more option. Also, maybe I add few buildings in the side too. But I think we need work on this building lights because we readjusted light and colors. They are disappeared too much. So see you next video.